In this video I'm going to show you how to audio record on the MacBook. There's two different ways to do this, one which I think is better, but I'll let you make your own mind up on that. First thing you want to do is head down to the launcher on the dock, and you want to come up to Voice Memos. And on Voice Memos you simply click the red record button here, and then from now on anything you say will be recorded. You can then pause the recording and then resume once you want to start talking again. If you make any mistakes, you can pause the recording and then use the slider to slide it back where you made a mistake, and then you can click the replace, and as you talk it will record over the mistake. Once you're done, you simply click done and the recording will be up here on the left. The great thing about Voice Memos is if you click the little edit in the top right hand corner, or re-add extra voice to the file that you've already created. But there's one disadvantage. If you don't want to use the inbuilt mic in the MacBook, you have to head up to the little Apple logo, System Preferences, and then come down to Sound. And then you want to select Input on the top here, and below here where it says MacBook Air microphone, if you have an external microphone plugged in, it'll be listed here. And you can also change the input volume here to make your voice better heard. That's only one slight disadvantage of Voice Memos, that you have to come up to the System Preferences to change your microphone. But that's not much of an issue. The second way to record your Voice Memos is by using Quicktime. If you don't have Quicktime on a desktop like me, you can simply use the Spotlight search in the taskbar and then search out Quicktime. Once it pops up, you can X that away and then come up to File, New Audio Recording. And from here, you can press this little drop down and you can select any external microphones you may have. You simply then click the record button and it'll start recording all your voice from then on. Once you're done, you click the button again. When you X out, it asks you to name the file and then where you want to save the file. In this case we'll save it in the desktop. Click save and the voice recording is there. The only difference with this one, unlike Voice Memos, you cannot go and re-edit it. There's no re-editing, and that is the advantage of Voice Memo and why most people like to use it. And also with Voice Memo, it is synced across all your Apple devices. There's two different ways how to record audio on your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip. And if you want more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.